Hi, and welcome back to Ride All the Bikes. On Saturday, November 8th, 2025, Matt and I rode in the Chinkapin Hollow Gravel Grinder, the 40-mile edition. There's also a 96, a 60, and a 24-mile race as well. In this video, we're going to see the starting line and the neutral start, and in some following videos, I'll show you what some of the gravel was like, and then of course we'll end up at the finish line. So sit back and enjoy. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe for more. There'll be another video in a couple of days when we hit the first gravel section, so stay tuned.